my channel and welcome to today's tutorial. First, I'm so sorry for not being able to upload for the last couple of months, but now I'm back with a whole lot of beautiful and quick tutorials like this one to make your little house look like a lovely home. With that being said, let's move on to the tutorial to make this beautiful bottle range. I needed empty bottles. I used medicine ones that were tossing around in my house, so I thought why not use them to make beautiful collection of my own skincare range. So first I washed it carefully with soap. Bottle washer brush can also be used, but I just used my hands and fingers. Second, I read the label for a couple of minutes and then wrapped it off. Now I have a dark glass bottle. The second step, be very careful. It really injured my hand at first, but later I learned how to do it. Do it very carefully. Remove the seal. When it's clean, now I printed out some labels. I love the vintage ones. I named them myself. I wrote Bath and Body Works face wash. I applied a coat of Mod Podge. Made sure that it's equally balanced, and then I applied another layer of Mod Podge and cleaned the edges to make it look very fine and clean. I used Mod Podge to make it waterproof. Now my labels are completely waterproof. I can use them with wet hands and in my bathroom. Basically, I'm doing a bathroom makeover, so these are my little projects to give it a little touch of glamour and beauty. One thing I forgot to mention is the lids. I painted the lids with acrylic gold color. I used acrylic paints because I didn't want to spray paint it. I didn't want to spray paint it because spray paint gives a thin coat. I wanted a heavy coat, so that's how it looks. Now I have my own range of beautiful skincare products. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Peace.